Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now, he's watching the thunder. There's some thunder outside. Oh, wow! So guys, I'm gonna be showing you what the thunder looks like. It's gonna be over here somewhere. Oh, oh! Did you just hear that? That was thunder. That was in 1001 pounds. Okay? Look it all over. Look at this thunder. Okay, let's go over here by the car. And I'm doing my video. Okay. Hey guy. Don't bother me. Now look at the thunder. Where is it? Thunder might be over there. So, there might be more thunder somewhere. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you want to watch more, just leave the like button and you watch it. Okay? Oh geez. It's gonna be thunder in a minute. I don't know what that sunshine is. Cashier. So, we're gonna be showing you lightning. Oops. Ooh, that was better. Yep, that was better. So, let's go over here. It's getting wet. Gonna thunder. So, goodbye.